What other kind of car would interest you?
Very high performance cars that can be used on the road.
The M6GT is the first McLaren road car. Everyone believes that the F1 was the first car, and it wasn't. It was this.
2 seats, very high performance, a proper road-going Can-Am car.
It's the DNA of what McLaren is today. You couldn't believe it when I got the phone call to be told we had found the original moulds used on Bruce's car.
A civilised version of one of our racing cars.
And although they had been stored outside, they were still able to produce a really good quality surface finish. As for hours in this car, I reckon we've got over 3,000. We 3D scanned the whole car once we had the body in white. The spec of the car, we've built it as if it was the first customer car that was never built. Over 400 horsepower, full manual gearbox, suspension, M6GT all around. Lucky enough to have some of the original guys in that worked at Colnbrook and were around when the original cars were built. Clearly he had a very skilled team. They sat there and they were incredibly emotional when we were assembling the chassis and told us that the rear upright was drawn around a banana in the tea room. True story. I think Bruce's innovation around this car just shines, and the fact that you can look at a modern McLaren and look back to that car and tie it all together, I think is incredible. It's great to get to tell that story and put the level of detail into it that MSO would do. Bruce did that car at such a young age. The vision in his head, the way it was styled, the shape of everything is faultless.